Hey YouTube, my name's Dan. This is my first tutorial in hopefully a series of tutorials that I'm going to be doing for CG, computer games, and not just computer games really. It'll be design and photo editing in general. The programs I'll be using will be Photoshop, Maya, After Effects, possibly Unreal Tournament Editor. This video is just going to be Photoshop, and most of the new ones I'll be doing at the moment will be Photoshop. I'm going to be starting from the basics and working my way up, and hopefully I'll have a large portfolio of tutorials afterwards. So yeah. So this first tutorial is obviously going to be a Photoshop tutorial, and I'm just going to cover the basics of opening and starting new projects. So yeah, just go to File, New, and we'll just take a look at this dialog box here. So first you have the name. That's fairly self-explanatory. I'm just going to put in tutorial. Oops. Tutorial 1 for that. Next you have to choose the size of your canvas. You can enter this manually, or you can go to the many preset canvas sizes that you already have. If you just take a look in here, you have paper, photo, film and video, all this kind of stuff from the web and stuff. So if you know what you want to work with, you can just go into here and locate the size that you need. For instance, I often work in After Effects, and I have various different film and video sizes that I need to use, so they're all in there, nice and ready. Or you can enter it manually, like I said. Just keep in mind that the higher you go, the bigger image size it's going to be, and the lower you go, you're going to lose a bit of the sharpness and the resolution. So I generally go quite high, but you may want to go lower depending on the speed of your computer and stuff. I don't know. So then you have the resolution. If you're working on a screen and the images that you're working with are only going to be presented on a screen, then 72 pixels per inch is fine. If you are printing, and you will notice if you go into like paper or photo that changes to 300 pixels per inch. You do need that resolution if you are printing out physical copies of your images. So just keep that in mind. But 72 is fine if you're just working within a screen. So and you notice that changes back. So there we go. I wouldn't bother messing around with this stuff until you're a little bit more advanced and stuff. Obviously, that is actually under advanced there. But yeah, just leave all that as it is. That's fine. Once you're happy, if you've got a size that you like, so I'm just gonna. This is a standard texture size when I'm doing games. So if you find a size that you like, you can save your preset, and that's texture standard, and then you can save that, and then you can go back to that at any point, and it's right there. So that's how you start a new image. Yeah. If you have made a mistake on the site of the image that you've made, you can just go to image and then image size, and you can make some changes here again. So if you do get it wrong, not to worry, you can just do that. As for opening images, obviously it's this file, open, and then you can just locate your file as usual with any other program. But there is a more convenient way to do this if you're working on big projects and stuff. With Bridge, if you go to File and Browse and Bridge, you can basically just save certain locations on your desktop into the bridge, and then you can quickly access them. So, for example, I'll just set this folder on my desktop for example, Tut 1, and I have a few photos in here to open. I've saved this to my favourites, so I can just instantly go to this and access those images quite quickly. Obviously, this is a pretty bad example, but if you had a big project you're working on, this can really help you out and stuff. So you can just open those images like so, and now you got some images. So that's all for this video. Next time we'll be looking at just some basic manipulation of some photos, and just get you started working on some images and making some changes. See you next time. Thanks for watching.